Dear students, I am Professor Ejaz, Chemistry Department, University of Narowal. In today's lecture, we are going to complete remaining two addition reactions of alkene. At number 4, addition is addition of halogens, chlorine, bromine, iodine. They can also be added to an alkene, but we have to use a solvent which does not take part as a reactant in chemical reaction. Such solvent is inert solvent, and the best example for an inert solvent is carbon tetrachloride, CCl4. Both carbons of double bond take one halogen atom each from halogen molecule, and the product thus formed is called vicinal dihalide, a molecule in which two halogen atoms are present on adjacent carbon atoms. It is also called 1,2-dihaloalkane. Now let us compare the reactivity of halogen with alkene. Chlorine and bromine act as efficient electrophilic reagents for ethene. Ethene is a nucleophile, and nucleophile has to react with an electrophile. And the electrophilic reagent in halogen family are chlorine and bromine for ethene or any other alkene. Fluorine is much more reactive, as a result of which we cannot control reaction of fluorine with any of the alkene. Iodine is the least reactive halogen, and it does not react with halogens to give a vicinal diiodide. Vicinal diiodide is difficult to prepare by the addition of iodine molecule to any of the alkene. The reaction is completed in two steps. Let's have ethene as an alkene, and we take bromine molecule, a large size molecule, to be added in ethene. In first step, when bromine molecule comes close to ethene molecule, pi electrons of ethene repel electron cloud of bromine molecule, and bromine molecule gets polarized. This polarized bromine molecule has partial positive center on one bromine atom and partial negative center on other bromine atom. So this partial positive bromine atom, after polarization, polarizability of bromine is much more greater than any of the other halogens. This partial positive bromine center, electrophilic center, attracts pi electrons of bromine molecule, of ethene molecule, and this bromine atom gets attached with both carbon atoms of double bond. One bond is formed by pi electrons, and the second bond is formed by use of lone pair from bromine atom. As bromine atom is using its lone pair to get attached with second carbon of double bond, it becomes positively charged. So this ion in which there is present positive charge on bromine atom is called bromonium ion. Double bond is changed to Cis single bond. Second atom of bromine takes both the electrons of sigma bond between two bromine atoms and is separated as a new nucleophile, bromide ion. In second step, this bromide ion attacks on any one of the carbon of bromonium ion, and in transform 1,2-dibromoethane is the product. Bromine atoms get attached on opposite sides of carbon. So this is trans product. This this reaction has a very important use. When bromine molecule is added to an alkene, the color of bromine, which is orange-red color, gets discharged, disappears. So as color of bromine is discharged after this reaction, so this reaction is used as a bromine water test. In order to distinguish between ethane and ethene, we can apply this reaction as a test. If hydrocarbon is ethene, then the color of bromine will be discharged. Otherwise, it will persist in case of ethane. So this is a very easiest test in order to distinguish between ethane and ethene chemically. Ethane will not react with bromine easily, and color of bromine will persist. At fifth number, we add hypohalous acid to any of the alkene. Hypohalous acid is an oxyacid of halogen having general formula HOX. This acid of halogen is formed when we use water as a solvent while adding a halogen to an alkene. In such case, solvent molecule becomes reactant to water molecule, first react with halogen molecule to form two acids. One acid is HOX, which is called hypohalous acid, and the other acid is HX, halogen acid. Hypohalous acid is an unsymmetrical molecule with partial negative charge on OH and partial positive charge on halogen atom. One part of the molecule goes to one carbon of double bond, and second part of the molecule goes to other carbon of the double bond. And the product formed is called a halo alcohol, which is also called halohydrin, an alcohol which also contains halo group on adjacent carbon atom. If alkene is an unsymmetrical alkene, then the addition of hypohalous acid follow Markovnikov's rule. For example, there is a very important conversion. Let's convert 1-chloropropane to 1-chloro-2-propanol. This is alcohol with the OH group on second carbon. So, first of all, we change this alkyl halide to an alkene because hypohalous acid has to be added to an alkene. So, alkyl halide can be converted into alkene by the process which is called dehydrohalogenation. Halogen, chlorine atom, and hydrogen atom from two adjacent carbons are removed simultaneously by using potassium hydroxide in alcoholic medium. CC single bond is changed to CC double bond. Propene is the first product. When propene is formed, then we add hypochlorous acid to propene. OH part of the molecule, which is partial negative, goes to CH. By Markovnikov's rule, negative part of the adding molecule will go to that carbon of the double bond which contains least number of hydrogen atoms. OH is attached to middle carbon and Cl is attached to second carbon of the double bond to form 1-chloro-2-propanol. So these are 5 addition reactions of alkene. Next topic will be studied tomorrow inshallah. Allah Hafiz.